So I just got done washing my hair for today. I'm actually gonna get ready to blow dry. I have my little microfiber towel on right now, but I want to send a thank you to Fentgo for sending me this high-speed hair dryer. So I'm gonna be unboxing this and doing a first impressions because I have not taken it out the box yet. I have not used it yet. So the first time that I'll be using it is on camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right quick. Alright, so this is what it looks like right here, right when I open the top. There's the blow dryer. This looks like an attachment for like if you have curly hair. And here is a concentrator nozzle, and there's also like an instruction booklet in here. So I'm going to take these things out so you can see them individually. So there's also a little bag under the bottom that I didn't see until I removed the other items. But there's a nice little soft bag you can store your hair dryer in. You can also take it to travel. It's like super, super soft. Alright, so here are the attachments up close. This is the concentrator nozzle. This is the diffuser. Alright, so here is the blow dryer itself right here. It does come with a very long cord. I love when appliances come with this little Velcro wrap because it makes it really easy to like put your cords back up instead of wrapping it around the product. I love that it has a little Velcro wrap here. Alright, so this right here is the air outlet. On this side, this is the indicator ring. Red is for hot, yellow is for warm, and blue is for cold. But I'm going to turn this on in just a minute where you can see everything. The little buttons right here, there's off, low, and high. This is the blower speed. And this is how you change the heat settings right here from hot, warm, and cool. And this right here is the removable air filter. So you can actually take this off and clean it whenever it needs to be cleaned. So that is what the hair dryer looks like right here. So I'm actually going to get ready to plug it up now. Alright, so now that I have it plugged up, I just want you to see how long this cord is. It is very long. I have it plugged up behind my mirror and it reaches the back of my bathroom. And also this concentrator nozzle right here, all that you do is attach it. It's like a magnet and you can turn it like 360. Whichever direction that you want, but I thought that was pretty neat that it just magnetically connects just like that. So first I'm gonna start with low. Now I'm gonna put it on high. I'm gonna put it back on low, and I'm just gonna change the heat. As you can see, it's on red. Once I pressed it, it went to blue, which is cool. And then there is yellow for warm. You can kind of see my lights. I have some LED lights. They're flickering just a little bit because of the power. It's like very powerful. But I just want to show you, that you can change the temperature from here. This is very, the wind speed on this is very fast. And I like that it's not super, super loud. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and blow dry my hair. And I'll give you guys a few more facts as I am blow drying my hair.